Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on Facebook Marketplace. So open the Facebook app or website and navigate to Marketplace, and then click New Listing and select the type of item you want to sell. Next, when filling out your listing, select shipping under the delivery method options. And next, enter your item's price and specify shipping costs if needed. And move along to ensure your Facebook account is set up for payments. You might need to add your bank account or payment info if prompted. And then review your listing and click publish to make it live. And once set up, customers can purchase your item and you can ship it directly to them. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.